Hi, in my previous video I showed you how to use will, be going to, present simple and present continuous to talk about the future in English, and today I'd like to give you some more examples and discuss the differences between them. Here's the first one. I'll get a dog, I'm going to get a dog, I'm getting a dog on Wednesday. Which one do you think is correct? All of them are correct. Let's take the first one. I'll get a dog. Let's say you live alone and you don't have friends. You feel very lonely and you don't like it. You don't want to feel lonely, and suddenly this thought comes to your mind, I'll get a dog. So you just made this decision and it's very spontaneous. That's why we use will. In the second one, I'm going to get a dog. You've probably thought about it for a while, you've done your research, you know what kind of dog you want. You made a plan, but you're just waiting for the perfect moment to get your dog. And the third one, I'm getting a dog on Wednesday. So, congratulations, this is a fixed plan. On Wednesday, you're visiting your local animal shelter and you're taking this old beagle home. And by the way, I've heard beagles are not so nice, but have fun. I'm meeting my friend Julia on Friday. We're going to the cinema. Our film starts at 8. We're going to get some drinks afterwards. It's going to be so much fun. I'm meeting my friend Julia on Friday. Here we have present continuous because this is a fixed plan. We're going to the cinema, the same. It's a fixed plan and that's why we use present continuous. Our film starts at 8. This refers to a schedule and that's why we use present simple. We're going to get some drinks afterwards. This is our intention and that's why we use be going to. It's going to be so much fun. Based on the fact that I know Julia and she's my friend, I know that we are going to have fun on Friday. I'm meeting my new colleague Rose on Saturday. We're watching a football match together. It starts at 3:30. I hope I'll have fun. I'm meeting my new colleague Rose on Saturday. This is a fixed plan. We're watching a football match together. Again, fixed plan. It starts at 3:30. It refers to a schedule. I hope I'll have fun. Here, I don't know Rose so well, and I don't know if she's a nice person. So here I express my belief about the future, and that's why I used will. Don't forget it's Mark's birthday tomorrow. Oh, thanks for reminding me. I'll get him a birthday present. This is a spontaneous reaction and that's why we use will. Don't forget it's Mark's birthday tomorrow. I know, I'm going to visit him sometime in the afternoon. Here we use be going to because we have an intention. Alright, let's move on to some exercises. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe you learned something new. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye!